Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a macaroni and cheese pizza. It's real good. It's very good combining your two favorite foods together when they collide. It's so good. So, let's get started. So, get a small saucepan and on a bowl, you put in 1/3 of a cup of milk. And then about 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of cheese. Now, you can use whatever cheese you want. I'm using a Mexican cheese blend. So you wanna give this a stir and keep stirring until the cheese has melted. And while you're doing this, you wanna boil some macaroni. So get about 1 cup of macaroni and just follow the instructions on the box. So yeah, you just keep stirring it until the cheese is nicely melted and make a fluffy, creamy cheese sauce. Alright, there you go. Nice, creamy cheese sauce. Now get you a piece of base. You can make it from scratch, or what I do is I also bought a pre-made. Now you got the macaroni that you made. Put that on your pizza. Now what I want you to do is get a little bit of olive oil and then put that over the base part before I put the macaroni on it. And then you get a little bit of cheese. You can use cheddar or mozzarella. I'm using mozzarella, but you can use any kind that you like. Now you get the cream cheese. Now you don't have to use all of it, just sprinkle a little bit of it. Now pop this in the oven at about 450 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Oh, this looks so good. Now you just cut up into whatever you decide pieces. Oh. Yum. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for macaroni and cheese pizza, as you can see. Oh, so good. I'm gonna give this a try. Oh. Oh, scrumptious. So, thank you guys so much for watching the new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you on the next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.